Hey guys, I wasn't originally gonna do any more reaction videos for a little while, but Winchum Lover, Mr. Christmas Lover wanted me to react to this video he made, which is a very interesting one, I must say. Just reading the title, yeah. So, uh, since he wanted me to, I figured I might as well. So, let's watch it.
Guys, I gotta show y'all something funny I just did. I just come up with this idea myself. Look at this. And it's also warmer again, too.
Why no?
I've got my Windy Day video on this side, and I've got Vinyl Nerds on this side. Now I can watch them both at the same time.
Isn't one longer than the
And
other?
you know what else I can do? I can hear both our chimes together, so mine and his can now harmonize together.
That's kind of cool, I will say. Oh yeah, I can hear my music of the spears of all of his chimes.
Oh, here we go. Woo!
Look at that. We both got a guster on the same time.
Oh my gosh.
This is actually kind of cool to watch, I must say.
It's almost like, you guys know how the chimes over there normally get blown more? Well, it seems like today we haven't really had these are
We're just talking over each other. That's funny.
Different from once. It's almost as if Vinyl Nerds from yesterday moved here.
Oh my God! Look at Vinyl Nerds. Wow.
Yeah, I know, the chimes of Neptune is going nuts.
That's probably like how that's probably like how mine was like the whole day today. Not just the one gust. You guys saw the video.
One thing I would love. One thing I would love is if there was at some point my music of the spears could be heard with all of his. I'd like to hear mine of his and see just how that sounds. That would be really cool.
But yeah, I think I'm not gonna show this whole thing.
Oh God, look at the trees over there.
I just figured I'd watch a minute of it with you guys.
Or 11 minutes.
Look how the flat is just flapping up and down. That's actually kind of funny.
This
in a
is
way.
Definitely a new way of doing it,
Oh,
and I
wow.
honestly like it.
Oh my God! This is what I mean, guys. The gusts today have just been coming.
Imagine that was Vinyl Nerd's big gust. He just got a couple minutes ago, and it came to my house.
But it's like they're just sneaking up on me.
That would be kind of funny, but I don't know so much about that.
Usually, as you guys know, I can tell when they're on the way, but something I'm actually thinking of doing with the
geez, we're talking over each other again.
Oh yeah, I can see one coming now. New,
This is just too funny, us talking over each other like that.
Here we go. Yeah, and like I said, the gust is just getting bigger.
This is actually funny.
Jeez, the chimes of Neptune is spinning.
Vinyl Nerd's getting a big gust right now.
Between that and the chimes of Venus, they're going nuts.
Oh, my encore chimes of his. Well, two of my encore chimes, anyways. Not all of them, but a couple of them with all of his.
Oh wow! Cool. Yeah, that's a big gust.
That's funny. You know, it's actually funny this way. I can say the gust that hit Vinyl Nerd's house now hit mine.
That is funny.
Yeah, I feel like even these aren't getting.
Oh my God!
Oh yeah, the chime. Yeah.
I think this is the windiest day I've ever seen Vinyl Nerd's house.
I like when it
there was another video that I uploaded last year. It got pretty nuts.
Although, yeah, I think yesterday it was blowing that way though, wasn't it?
I'd want to say it was coming from the other direction. I don't remember. I'd have to watch the video again.
For a while, and then it'll just calm down before another gust will come.
I swear, this is so funny. I'm going behind the fence now, and VinylNerd went to his backyard.
The amount
It's
of
like they're
things
perfectly in sync.
that is funny.
It's like we're both doing the same thing. I went behind my fence.
Imagine if
to
we
that
both
one.
recorded the video at
And
the
he
same
went to the Chimes
time.
of Province.
Imagine if we both recorded at the
actually
same
funny.
time. That would be hilarious.
Well, there's a gust up in that tree. Oh yeah, it's a big one too. Oh my gosh. Those are getting blown like nuts over there. Yeah, the wind. Remember when I told you guys the wind did some funky stuff when it come from the south?
I'm a lot more quiet
well,
for some reason.
I think that's what it's doing now.
I also think that's why these chimes were blowing more.
I was not saying
Because you guys saw the way my finger pointed. The house is blocking a lot of those.
This is my absolute favorite
I was
music
not
of the
saying
close to the
during
house.
my
That's why
video. I don't know
I
why.
think those were moving more.
I hope to get the mezzo and soprano one day to harmonize with it.
Seriously, what was I doing the whole
It
time?
sounds so good. Oh yeah, gust.
It's funny. VinylNerd's wind is like still almost.
I thought I heard
Well,
one coming.
The back two are moving a lot.
Whoa! Look at the glass chime.
Yeah, I was just quiet for some reason. I don't know. I guess I was tired or something. Oh, I'm back in the front there.
My house just got a big gust, and now VinylNerd is getting a gust again. I swear, it's like our houses are right next to each other or something.
Yeah, the wind's definitely doing something funky today. But I like it. It gives me something different to watch.
This is so much fun.
Instead of the same thing over and over.
Watching both of these together.
It would be hilarious if we were actually recording at the same time.
Oh God.
Let me know if you guys want to see something else like this. This is actually enjoyable for me. Oh wow, we're both getting a gust. Look at that. Well,
just hearing my chimes of his is really funny. Oh my God.
Ones are too. Oh wow.
Now my house is getting one.
I'm glad that this one is catching a lot of wind. Standing out like that. Yeah, you guys know this normally doesn't happen to the... Put in a good spot.
It's still funny how we're just talking over each other.
I was just about to say we're doing it again.
A lot. It usually happens to those on the porch or something. On that half of the yard. That one came out of nowhere. The gusts today are just coming out of nowhere.
Oh, and of course, when he goes over to his music of the Spears, I'm not over at mine. Oh, wait. Oh my God, and yeah, as soon as I go over to mine, he turns away from his. Damn it all.
I think the wind is coming from the direction I'm currently facing.
You notice how I'm zoomed in on your favorite one, VinylNerd?
Yes, I see it.
That was for you, VinylNerd.
And that was for you once again.
Yeah,
it's
no
funny
shit.
I just zoomed in on it.
Over to where those chimes are. Oh God! There's usually a lot more that comes through the front yard than the back. How fast that thing is spinning.
I think another thing that would have been funny.
Wow.
Hold on. Another thing that I think would have been funny is if, I mean, this is funny too, but another thing that I think would have been funny is if he had reacted to my reaction. If he reacted to me reacting, if he made a reaction to one of my videos where I react to one of his videos, that would be absolutely hilarious. You know what? Windchum Lover, Mr. Christmas Lover, if you're watching this, I dare you to do that. The next time I react to one of your videos, I dare you to react to that reaction. Oh God, that would be so funny.
just don't really have the time, you know. I mean, I intend to eventually, but you know, with work and everything, I'll have time eventually, guys. Don't worry. I'm not just
Once
gonna let
again,
this
I'm
hang
just
here like
completely
that for the rest of
silent.
its life.
Oh, there's my Arius.
So far, that last gust is looking like a no-show right now. It hasn't come yet.
Was that me coughing? I don't even
Oh, I
know.
think here it comes. Well,
Oh my god, this is funny.
oh here we go.
Oh my god.
That one's ringing quite a bit too.
And there I'm going to the back. Why was I just standing there? What was I doing there? Oh wait, I remember now. I'm not gonna say it though.
Yeah, more quiet over here. Still waiting for that.
Wasn't
I think
going
here comes the strong one.
wasn't the wind wasn't
looks
that
like it.
very strong in that spot when I recorded down
Oh
there.
yeah, they're rocking a lot down there.
Oh, the Bells of Paradise just going. Still not as much as usual though.
Oh, whoa!
Yep.
Wait a minute. Hang on, just one more minute. I'm just gonna take a look down that way and see if I see a gust maybe coming. And of course, now I talk about ending the video. It looks like there might be a gust coming.
Yep. Relatable.
Oh yeah, here we go. Whoa! Look how fast.
Well, I think I'm
All
gonna
right.
end the video
Wow,
here.
that was a short gust.
Bye.